Open the MatchMySound app and click on Create Content. Click on Create Audio Only Exercise. Choose metronome and beats per measure or turn off metronome completely. Click Record to record. Your audio file will appear. Click play to listen to it. For best results, crop out any noise at the beginning or at the end. Give your exercise a name, an author, and a brief description. Select count-in beats. Select tempo or use tap tempo. Take a photo of your music. Click Use Photo. Click Save. Your sound file will appear. Click on Show Attachment to show the photo. Select your learner from your roster. In the Comments section, direct your learner to the page in their lesson book. You can select the score goal and how strict MatchMySound will grade your learner, easy, medium, or hard. You can specify how you would like your learner to interact with the assignment, any mode, free mode, metronome, demo audio, and backing track if one is available. Under Special Type, you can assign your audio file as a memorization exercise. The option to assign as a sight reading exercise is only available on notated exercises. Click Assign and your learner will get an email notification. When your learner records their performance, they will receive instant feedback. Green is good, yellow is so-so, and red indicates there are problems. Learners are motivated to try again and to attempt a higher score.